Hey y'all, I'm Kori Ashton and welcome to another WordPress Wednesday. Look no further. Y'all, if you've been frustrated getting spam comments in on your WordPress blog, let me tell you right now, I've got the free plugin that will help you fix all of it. This won't address any of your forms that you have, any of your contact forms that are getting spam. That'll be another video. I'll put that in the description box below or right up here. But this is a really great resource if you're dealing with all those spam comments coming in on your posts and hitting your inbox. I'll show you how to block them and disable them all right now in the budget of free. Y'all, remember that these videos are brought to you by LearnDash. When you're ready to get your courses online, be sure to check out LearnDash. I'll put a link in the description box below. All right, let's get started on the tutorial. So if you come into your WordPress website and this is what you see under comments, you just see a ton of spam all the way down. These can come in back to back to back within the same minute even. A lot of my clients have had this battle with WordPress. When they think about WordPress, they think about just spam and how these actually end up in your inbox too. It's very frustrating. So if you're seeing a lot of comments like this, this is going to be your solution for the fix. And it's going to take you 2 clicks to get it done after we install this plugin. So I do want to talk about a common plugin. A lot of folks use Akismet. It's an anti-spam plugin that is available, and you can use it in the budget of free as well. There's obviously a paid version that you can use. So if you click on this, come in, go over, you can check out the different prices. And of course, on the personal, if it's a non-commercial site, you qualify to use Akismet totally for free. But if you are a business, you should actually have to pay for this resource. And you know, you can get creative with what you want to pay for it. They're really kind about that. But again, if you're a commercial based website, which is the example I'm going to show you today, you would have to pay for this tool. But what if we could totally stay in the budget of free, completely 100% free? Let's go back over to your plugins area and we're going to do a search for disable comments. And it's this one right here, over at 1 million active installs, phenomenal reviews, and it's been updated recently, right? It's compatible with ours. I'm going to click install and I'm going to click activate. Now that I have that in place, I can come over here, the configuration page up here at the top. You see that little link? All right, this is it, y'all. A couple of clicks here. 1 click, you can disable comments everywhere on your entire website. That's it. There's our 1 click, but that definitely knocks them out across the board. What if you just wanted them disabled on pages or maybe on your media types? You can do that and keep them active on your blog area if you allowed for comments. But this is a commercial site. We don't need them anywhere. So we're going to go ahead and choose everywhere, save changes. That did it. That disables comments. Now, to delete the existing comments that are here, right, we just want to be sure they're gone everywhere, right? So you're going to see it has a total comments of 145. I want them gone. Are you sure? Yes. Delete. Be gone. And it's magic, y'all. They're gone. You don't even see comments on the left side anymore. It is literally disabled, gone from this website. The pain in the tush is over. Y'all, if this video was helpful, I'm gonna ask that you click like and subscribe. Come back here with me every single Wednesday and check out over 500 other videos that I have on this channel, all in the world of WordPress, SEO, social media marketing, and I even have a playlist for freelancers. I hope this has been helpful for you. I'll see you next week. Bye, everyone.